Yeah, you read that right. I am returning my brand new 2020 Toyota Tacoma, but like any self-respecting car photographer and videographer, I had to take it out for one last photo/video shoot. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. And for those of you who are following me because of the Tacoma, don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm actually meeting up with a buddy who also just bought a cement gray 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and he has his own YouTube channel where he is building his truck and his bike, and he's a really great guy. While we were out there, we did get a chance to make some pretty cool video stuff that I'm really excited to share with you. If you guys haven't already seen my last video, I'll link it up here. And if you guys are interested in this edit, let me know in the comments below, because I'd love to break it down for you, how I edited it, how I color graded it, all of those things. I think it'd be really fun to walk you guys through it. So watch this video and then let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see. I can't wait to see yours. They go on what? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m.
This spot is so dope. It's so loud, but man, it looks so good. Hey guys, so this is Spencer Hogg. He shoots for Toyota Canada from time to time, has an amazing YouTube where he shoots his Tacoma. He's also got a sick bike. What kind of bike is it?
That's a 2018 Yamaha MT-09. It's pretty fun little like naked sports bike. Same engine as like the R6 and whatnot.
So guys, go check him out. He's got some really cool stuff where he walks you through like how he cleans up his cars, how he builds out his cars. And he is going to be building out his brand new 2020 Tacoma. He's already done some pretty sick upgrades. Like you can see, he's got the Heritage Grill here, which is something I've wanted, versus standard grill. He is getting new wheels put on tomorrow. You can see he's done his fog lights with these cool yellow ones. And if he had his LEDs on, you'd see, but he changed those out as well. Blacked out his badges. All in all, just really cool what he's been doing. So definitely go check him out. And now he's just tossing up his drone. So we'll get some cool footage out of that. Feeling so fortunate. We have such a good night tonight. It's just been nice. Like the sun has been so beautiful. We've got some pretty cool shots. I'll put them on the screen so you guys can see what we've been shooting. It's been a lot of fun. But on the way home, I will tell you why I am giving back the Tacoma. It's gonna be a bit bittersweet. Actually, there's really nothing sweet about it. It's mostly just a little bit bitter, but I'm not bitter. It just had to happen. So, I'll tell you guys in a sec. I think we got hit with some rocks. Worth it. That's so sick, dude. What a day. That was super fun hanging out with Spencer and doing some shooting. We pinged him in the eye with a rock doing some of that spinning stuff, but he was able to get some banging photos for me. So thanks so much, Spencer, for coming out. So why am I giving back the Tacoma? Well, ultimately COVID did happen, and it's affecting a lot of people, including, you know, more than just me, in a lot of different ways. And so unfortunately, South Point Toyota and Country Hills Toyota, they just had to cut some of their budget, and unfortunately photographers and videographers aren't on the top of their list to keep around because they need to continue to sell cars. But no hard feelings at all. They are still hiring me to do a few videos for them, which I'm super grateful for. But as a part of our contract, which we can no longer keep up, was this Tacoma. So I will be bringing it back tomorrow, but there's zero hard feelings. It was such a blessing to have while I had it. But to be quite honest, I mean, during this time of COVID, there's not much going on. I'm still working from home. I'm not getting to use the truck too much. The big bummer is that it's starting to warm up here in Calgary, and actually being able to drive some of the roads would have been nice. Get out to the mountains, those kind of things, do some off-roading, which I didn't have the chance to do yet, unfortunately. But guys, this has been a really fun journey. Even just having this truck and saying I did it like I had a truck as a part of a contract is just so cool, and I'm thankful for you guys. Thanks so much for being along this journey. If you guys haven't been here before, consider subscribing. I do a lot of car photography, I do reviews and stuff like that, but this video is a bit of a farewell. So as you guys can see, that was a pretty epic night shooting our Tacomas. The way the dust was kicking up and the sun was kicking through, it was just a perfect night and a good way to say goodbye to the Tacoma. I didn't do any vlogging when I delivered the truck back to the dealership, but the fun thing is that the truck actually sold like 2 days after they got it back. I don't know if they had it sold before it was back, but they parked it on the front lot, and then 2 days I went back and it had the sold sign in it. So I mean, what's good for the dealership is good for me. It's too bad that it's already gone, but man, I had such a good time in that truck. And for anyone who's looking to get the 2020 Tacoma, I highly recommend it. It is an awesome truck. I did obviously not return it because of any bad feelings, but just simply COVID-19 is affecting a lot of people, and like I said, in a lot worse ways than me. So super grateful to have had it. Super grateful for all of you guys who are watching my content because of the truck. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for me if you like more content like this, and as well, do come check me out on Instagram. I love hanging out with you guys over there. Come say hello, and until the next video, we'll see you then. Also, I don't know if anyone noticed, but I got a haircut between like filming that video and doing this intro outro. It was getting bad with COVID, but hope you all are doing okay with your haircuts and can get a COVID cut or something. Okay, bye.